In this lesson, we are going to study more advanced topics related in class inheritance. So let's consider a problem which is a bank account. We are going to simulate bank transactions as follows. The bank provides two types of bank accounts, checking account and the savings account. The common things between the two account types are that each account should keep track of a balance, and then it provides to read or check the current balance. And also you can make a deposit or you can withdraw money from the account. And at the end of the month, each account goes through some process so that the banker may charge fees or calculate interest depending on the type of the accounts. And the specific about the checking account is it has a free transaction limit. Transaction here means either deposit or withdraw. You can make up to certain number of transactions per month free. If you exceed the limit, there is a transaction fees for each transaction there. And savings account, it bears interest at the end of the month. So this is the problem to solve. Then using class inheritance idea, so we are going to design this problem in object-oriented way. In the full description of object-oriented design will be treated in the next advanced course though, but using this problem, I'm going to show the very basic of object-oriented design. So let's create a Visual Studio Code project. So here is inheritance using bank account example. Let me create that. Then I'm going to create main program there. Before I proceed to design the classes, I want you to configure debugger so that you can use the trace modes to trace the logic of the program. So once you configure this, you can continue with the next videos.